Mhm. It took me through it.
Active my bro, how we go? Yo, one law, I style. They are dog. I just run the analysis and so I can go and feed there. Our time. 8:33. Yo, Biggs. I say a word, my dog. Alright, chat. So we just get straight tonight. I'm so go on. We all hit all time highs. I think I went today. Yeah, bro. Today we hit all time highs. Chat. This daily candle. I'm gonna see how monthly candle look, by the way. Print a low 41.66. See la. Hopefully not see my screen though. Weekly candle push up from 43.40. Just push straight up towards 21. And we close respecting to the previous not the previous to the daily candle. Like we never close above the range. Not even upon the previous candle, we close respecting this daily candle, just push straight up, break these highs out to the left at 74, and we hit all-time highs without a bottom wick on the daily. Hold on, chat. Hold on, give me a second, let me see something. Wonder if it gonna look weird. Alright, we're probably good. The background music is too loud. Alright. Wait, when did I see my screen? Alright, we're good. It's 4 candle got what 20 minutes left until we close. 23. Same thing for early. Push down, print a low at 06. And now we start a break. Did we get a closure above, by the way? I'm gonna say we're going. Cham, I take a look and see where price I do before I look for take any type of like trade. I just want to get a understanding of like price action. So like price I do. What I say today is like a drive day though, chat. That type first thing, like I identify what type of day it is. You have 3 different type of market cycle. You have range, drive, and liquidity. So what I said today is like drive type of day. We break all time highs yesterday. What I expect goal for drive. So I could definitely look for some like continuation like trade with the trend. And we could still look for sells, but would I need for sell like closure below range 2 and some top wick. You see my chat, cause once we start print like lower highs, we close below range 2. Then would I say yeah, it sells them would I be decent. You see my chat, but I must see the range going down, by the way. Run flip that our 30, 26. I went out of room to the left cause this are all time highs. So I guess we have to just work with this. See ya. I'm identify range we're in. We have like support at 44.13. We have resistance at 44.25. This is midline range. I'm going to go on the higher time frame that also a flip on the low. Alright. No, nothing about what? So over that. Alright, Chad. So as I said, this high range we're in from 43.30 towards 43.25. Price close. I think no, this bearish can go fill the range. I'm gonna say, yeah. Push all the way down, fill the range. After print a low, now start to push up. So I wait and see if we can get a closure above 44.25. Anything above 44.25, would I expect like a continuation. Would I expect some buys? Is in my chat. Because like, hold on, let me see some. Let me see some. Alright, Chad, so yeah. As I'm gonna say, above 44.25, would I expect continuation buys. You see me? So we'll see if we can get a closure above. We are still wait for like some lows, more bottom we get print before me enter. But that would be the idea for right now. Is in my chat. And for your sales them, so buys above 25. For sales, would I look for sales below range 2. Anything below a range 2 chat. So if this side can go flip, once this can go flip, would I want to flip, push down. Once we tap this level, if price can reject and flip back bullish, re-break its lows, then would I look for sales. Would I look for sales below like 44.16. Something like this chat. We'll open up. We'll push up first for a top wick. Price manage for reject. Alright, so as I said chat, like a closure above, so the price basically will push up, bring the high, price reject, and then we'll re-break the highs. So when I look for buys above 25, you see me, once we get like a range to a closure, buyers going up would be decent. But when I just have to wait, we'll get like a closure in 1 minute. Last 15 at the hourly as well. No, we're not in a room. We're not in a, and there's left. One thing I know chat like, I realize like price is like, I think last year we hit all-time highs in December. I realize like December is when gold usually hit all-time highs. Same thing happened last year. So chat will go wait and see how price react if we break out the range or not. From Houston, I no close cash, no swing my way. Channel. So we'll close, we never close above, we'll close respecting, still close bullish though. But we'll never close above 25, so that good chat. If we print a high, let me measure the range going up by the way. From the high to the wick fill that are like 12. This was 16, 18. Yeah, I guess we would just stay away from that. But chat, look. See if this can go print a high at 25, reject, flip bearish and print a low. And the rebreak at the highs, the buy is going up. It would be decent. I'm gonna like stay away from like the range 1 breakout, and I'm gonna wait for like a range 2 breakout. Basically this what I mean by range 2 breakout. So this can go open up and we think we print a high at 25. After we print a high, can go print a low. We flip bearish and we print a low just now, and then we rebreak the highs. So now that's price rebreaking the highs. This would be range 1 chat. So no buys above range 1. I'm gonna wait for price to rebreak the highs, push back down, retest the range, and if it managed to push back up and rebreak the highs for a second time, I would look for buys above like the range 2. So yeah, so this would be range 1. This would be range 1 right as a chat. This would be range 2. So once price like break out this level and push higher, I'm gonna look for buys above 26, or in this case 27. Nice. So we'll print a high and we'll start for reject. I'm gonna try to draw this out. Alright, so you can go print a high, yeah, and we'll start for reject. Alright, so let's see chat. Put a level up on the rebreak of the highs. That's the rebreak of the highs right there. Chat, I'm probably gonna place buy stop real quick, but not yet. I want to see this candle start for react first before I place buy stop. But most likely I'm gonna place buy stop on the rebreak of the 15-minute candle high at 44.27.0. No, 44.27.40. That's the level I'm going to place buy stop at, but not as yet. I want to see how this candle react. I want to see how this candle react. My giant them my worst, you know, man. Oh, man. Oh, it's a work, you charge?
Yeah, 30.
So I'm making it like tonight.
You charge on every bro.
So which charge I charge in?
Your mother.
Oh.
It's up.
Oh. So yeah, delete some things off right?
You want to go delete them out there. Then sister, you know me?
Yeah.
But then sister, I'm take the phone. Isn't it?
I know lie.
No, them people feel like say a thief or 5 or 5. You see me?
I don't lie, I real talk, man.
Go up there now, me just say, hey, can you guys come on?
Yeah, man, you don't have to say too much still. But me get what y'all say, you see.
Yeah, them I say, and then me just say, alright then, let me delete the stuff off it.
Yeah,
And then take off the password. Like,
in front of them.
in front of them.
I don't lie.
Yeah, bro. Well, what time up there?
Them supposed to open by the time I done stream, bro. Or you want to go out there before me? Go and go look if they open now.
Oh, this is the orange blue tea.
I swear I didn't even know that. So well, my even have focus. Hold on, let me see. Where you say y'all go out there now? We'll break the laws again. Let me see. Let me see that we have like what 4 minutes until the 5 can go close. Chat, would I look for cells? Would I look for cells below like 18, below 44, 18, below this level? So almost we're not there yet, we're almost there. Reason for that is because this could just be another low chat. Like you see, if this can go print a low and we flip bullish on the 5, like bro, once we re-break the highs, you gotta expect like we print like a new high. And what we usually do, let me remove this right now. Let me remove this show and something. What we usually do chat is like, see once price re-break its highs, we can look for like range 2, we can look for like a range 2 breakout. We already like print a high at 27. So anything above 27, 44, 27 would have be good for buys going up. You see me? 8 minutes left until the 30 close. So 30 close are gonna be important too. In order for continue in order for get more buys, this 30 minute can go down for close like bullish above the range, or yeah, bullish above the range. Because if we close bullish respecting, yeah, I expect the next can go print a top wick. Once it flip bearish, we have like clean range below 44, 18 to push down. You see my chat? We have clean range. But measure this by the way. This would be what? 27. This would be 40. This would be what? 30 right there. So yeah, sells below 18 go down towards 44.15. That would be decent. Would I wait for a top wick at 44.20? Is in my chat. That's the idea we have for sales. Or we could have wait for a range 2 closure below. So this is what I mean by that chat. Range 2 closure below. Instead I take sales when this can go push down towards 18. Clearly this is a support level. This level 44.18 was the level price was able to reject from in the past. So clearly this is a support level. So all we can do is adjust this yellow line, put it down further. So no sells below range 1. Once price break this level, chat and push down, then we could have looked for sales below range 2 and could have just extend this, put this top wick right here, so cause you would expect a little retest. You see my chat, like once price break, Yeah, that expect a little retest. That would have be the top wick right here. Once price retest, break the lows, this could be our cells going down towards 44.15. I think that's like a 30 pip range going down. So yeah, that would have be the idea for the cells. Cells below range 2. Buys above 27. I use in my chat. That I pre. Watch it. Look at chat. People are active, bro. Sorry, my stream crashed to dog. I think I crashed. My stream crashed last time. Yeah. Let me see. Forward like what? 12 pips away. Yeah, forward close still. Almost there. Yo, chat me out forward. there about now. So let me see, 15 minute can go close doji. Oh, that's crazy. Let me see. Yeah, Jano. Let me see if we can re-break the highs chat. Remember I'm telling you some have ideas on the re-break of the highs, but more also this can go print structure though, since we don't have a low. Either we print a low or we need for print structure within the candle before I look for enter buys. You see me?
I'm gonna look for some stuff and go make some money. I bet a lot of value inside. You know, I'm a type of person I don't like to tell you about stuff that
I want to say this can go flip bearish. So re-break at the highs would have been decent. This are the 30-minute can go open too. That would have been what 8. That would have been what 30. I'm gonna see. So chat, once this 4 can go print a low, re-break its highs, that would have been decent. That would have been decent. But from the re-break at the highs towards the wick bill, that are like 6. Let me see if we just go in range. Because if this can go push all the way back down, chat, we're probably going to need like liquidity in order to break the highs. We'll see how this can go react first.
Alright, you gonna call me when you're gonna work? That doesn't sound true.
Mm. We're just in a range chat, but I have to just wait until price breakout.
Oh.
Regular deal, funny. Rocky. Okay. Yeah, there's a no news there, by the way. And no for freaking enterprise. No eruption. But let's wait for a breakout chat. As you can see, price just in a range right now. So I range out in. Can't even draw one straight freaking box. See it? So I range out in, bro. Price. Let's wait for a breakout. So once you break either 25 and actually close above, not just a breakout, but a closure above or a closure below. Here's my chat. Cause price breakout a couple times, but we close back into the range. So that's why I want to make sure we get a closure above. The only candle are just a range chat. As my talk will finally break. But we got like a minute left until the 15 close. So we'll see if this 15-minute candle can close bullish above the range in a minute. If that happen, we'll wait for a retest and then we'll look for some buys. You see me? And like they can go flip or they can go re-break at the highs. Bro, watch it, bro. Let me see how we close. I will close bullish above. Make sure. I'll close 26, 44, 26. Put a lever higher, so. Nice wick though. We never break in a chat, we tap like the same level, dog. 44.27, bro. You can see a 3 time we tap this level. Right, as a price stop 27. In our pass when price stop 27 was able to reject. We push up, came close, never complete the top and price reject. Same thing happened over here, so we tap 27 and price reject all the way down. The sales them going down look clean if you ask my chat, I swear. And we have some healthy volume. Volume look healthy. So now wait and see if we can get a closure below. The sales them look clean, but we have to close below though. Cause the higher time frame still bullish. You see me? Like hourly and a 4. Can go flip. There, I got it and we set a new trend there. Let me see. 2 mates. We are clean. Brother having food and me have mine. Close to hard days, time for good life. We breaking a chat. Finally break the level, bro. Can we get a closure above now? I want to see a closure above before we look for buys. So chat, look. See if this can go close above 44.27. The next can go open up, push down with a market execute buys. You see me? But we need a closure above though. We got what, 10 seconds. And if we close, basically if we close too far, then I just stay out because range already get filled. You see me? It will make no sense. Alright, I'm gonna say No rejection. You can just pop straight up. There we go. That's the rejection right there. But more I say 27 get top chat. Let me see what 5 minutes I do. So I'll just tap 27. We got a minute and 30 seconds until the 5 minute can go close. Wait for 5 minute can go closure. Nah, minute and 20 seconds. Same idea do a 5 try to 5 close above 27. Next 5 minute can go open up, push down, print a bottom wick. Would I look for either wick entry buys or put buy stop on the candle flip. Yes, you may take advantage of the range going up towards 44.29. I'm gonna expect that level they get top. Don't do that, bro. What that, man? Yeah, to clean it down. Clean it down. Where you carry? Eh? Bumbleclot. Bro, look at time, I tell me head this trade play out already. You look at time, I turn on and say what you do. Watch out. Can go close above, print a wick down towards 27 and flip bullish, push all the way up to the previous can go wick fill. In like a second, I just turned me a dog. So you go still. 5 minute can go print a steep or low. That good. We close bearish respecting. We never close below. So chat. I'm not gonna lie, you see this 5 minute candle, if this mini candle for flip bullish, this 5 minute candle, I expect this 5 to push up. Oh, so we got 8 minutes under 15. I would even have no room left, bro. That's a tough part. Nah, go like it buys them on this minute candle look clean still though. But more I see how we close. If we can get a closure respecting 27, we're good. But if we close below, then we just wait. 2 minutes under 5, 15 or 7. We might get a top wick off of this minute candle and continuation down. Nice look of fake out. Can this candle print a low? Alright, chat. Me market execute buys right there, so. Feeler, yes. So I'm just gone into buys right there, so chat. You see me? And the candle re-break at the lows. So I'm now in buy position. As soon as this mini candle push down and print a wick, market execute buys. Let me see. The re-break at the highs. Once price push up to the highest chat, that would be risk free. Just like one more pop. Once we top like this level. Once we top 44.28, this would be a risk free trade. So can we top 44.28? Yeah, stops on the lows. See, like, I'm gonna do that. So chat, this is now a risk free trade, chat. Yeah, closing full right there. See, like, can't even close. Alright, chat, I'm still in a trade, but stop loss to break even minimum. No risk, not up on the table. If we can re-break the highs, then would have close. If this 5-minute candle, nice, closing full right there, chat. But we can't even close thing them. Alright, I'm out. Nice. So that's the trade. You see me? That's the trade, chat. That was a cool one. Measure it. May y'all have a pineapple on this, bro. I was like 30. Got 2 entry me get. This trade was like 15 chat, but I have like 2 entry stock. So I may that make like 30 pips off of that. But if you're still in the trade, just go break even and hold if you want to. Here's in my chat, cause we might continue for drive. But that is it though. I was a clean trade, man, I'm not gonna lie. You remember what you see there yesterday?
Mm-hmm.
You remember what you balanced there yesterday?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
1,000.
100 odd. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
I think I went there when we share about 75 or something.
Fair enough, sir.
It's me just take a trade. Man says so it run up. Yo chat, that is it for today still, you see me? We'll just forward back tomorrow, see if we can continue to follow the plan. End of the week decent, you see me? But week start good, I can't lie. But who understand the idea behind that trade they do? Cause as I say every day, no way dog, no fucking way. Shit crazy, bro. Yeah, that's crazy. Me not ready yet. Hold on. I see what in the phone. Make your man style there though, bro. I make your man program here. I want to try low ball thing. You have to know if you negotiate, you know. You know what you style it. Yo chat, we're never there, bro. Yeah, can't see anything. Yeah, I'm gonna take another trade, bro. My stream was on like pause, the BRB screen. You guys never see anything, so it's still early chat, 9:20. This trade was a W trade. I closed off this trade at 30 pips. Yeah, I'm gonna stick around since you guys never saw that trade. That was my bad. But we're gonna look for another trade chat. The sells might play out since we break the highs, close back into the range. Alright. Let me get some new levels markup chat. I'll see if we can get a trade. See if I can take a trade with you guys. That the first trade don't count chat, guys. The screen was on BRB. So that no count. That's my bad though. Never realized, bro. Volume still active. Not even 9:30 as yet, so I can stick around for longer chat. Still early. I'll measure this range. Hopefully you guys seen everything now. Regular day of the panic caller. 1 minute until this 15 close. If we get a 15 closure below, that would have been decent, but at the same time, this 30-minute candle would close bullish. And if this 30 close bullish, you would expect the next candle to continue up chat. If this 30 close bullish above the range, you expect the next 30-minute candle open up, push down. Once we push down, re-break the highs. Yeah, expect the next 30-minute candle continue up. You see me? So we got 30 seconds. I'm gonna see if we're going to close above 25. I'm gonna see. We have 5 seconds, so I get a bearish closure. This 30-minute candle go close, not the 30, the 15 will close. Let's say yeah, we close weak bullish. We open up, look like we are pushed down first. Alright, chat. So look, see if this 30-minute candle, nice. So chat, may I place buy stop on this candle flip? Because once this candle flip, you would expect we push up towards like the previous candle wick fill and also the 30. Alright, chat. So I got buy stop on this candle flip. Let me give you the exact level. 44.26.52. I got buy stop on the 30-minute candle flip chat. Place that real quick. I'm just typing it manually. But chat, like this candle, obviously we're going to need a low. I'm not in this trade as yet. We're going to wait because once this candle print a low, once we flip back bullish, we should be able to push up towards the range fill. No. But I have to put up a thing them on the door right so before I do that. But chat, as I'm saying, I'm not in this trade as yet. I got buy stop on the candle flip. Here's my chat. I'm not activated as yet. Why are wipey? And if we get a closure below chat, then I'm gonna delete buy stop if this can go close below the range. If we close below the range in 16 seconds, most likely we're going to get a closure below. Alright, so close below. Alright, chat. So yeah, I did buy stop. Can go close below the range, so the idea they out the window. What we can do, I basically wait until we get like a 5-minute candle closure below, cause the minute candle just close below. But in order for me to take sales, I need to see like the higher time frame close below, like the 5 or the 15. Here's my chart, and we still got more range going down, so that good. 44.18.88. We have a level right there. We have a level at 44.20. The range going down. That's a 17 pip range towards the rebreak of the lows. Or this could have been break even. I'll adjust this to so. But we still need a top weight anyways. Launch chat. No FOMO chat. We still got more range. Still got more range. Any trade me I take have to be according to plan. The first trade you guys never saw. I make sure, like, you see me, make sure I follow the plan and stick with the strategy, bro. No FOMO. Print a high. And that sniper rejection there. Bro, stop. Clear would feel like a joke thing, brother. Alright, chat. So we close below. And we just pop straight down. Yeah. We just cannot do anything about that, chat. The only thing we can do is just adjust, get some new levels. I would say the next destination, 4412. 4412. The range going down. That are like 20. Only thing we can do is just adjust. Here's my chat whenever stuff like that happen. Make sure we no FOMO, bro. Five minute candle, we close how? Yeah, close below. Still managed to close below. And the rebreak of the lows would be decent as well, chat. But this candle would need to print a high. If this 50-minute candle can print a high, chat, and then rebreak its lows, that would be decent. We could look for sells on the rebreak of this 5-minute candle lows. But it would need that to happen quick though. We need a high at 40, nice. 44.20, nice, chat. So no chat, I got sell stop on the rebreak of this 5-minute candle lows. If this 5-minute candle rebreak its lows, this would be clean, chat. So I got sell stop at let me give you guys the exact level. I got sell stop at 4416.49. That's where I got sell stop. The 5-minute candle rebreak of the lows. Let me place that real quick. But y'all there 3%. Sell stop 4416. 4416.49. I'm gonna put my phone on the charger real quick, chat. I'm not activated, chat. I'm not activated. It's just sell stop on the rebreak of the lows. That's all it is. I'm not in as yet. If price rebreak the lows, then I'll be activated in sales. But give me like 2 seconds, chat. Give me like 2 seconds. I'm gonna be back.
come on, like the man just take away the thing them and I wait with them, bro.
Chat, I still got cell stop chat. Can go pushing up. Let me see. We got what 6 minutes until the 15 close. And as I said, chat, I'm not activated as yet. I'm just trying to make that clear. If price rebreak its lows, then I'll be activated. Hopefully you guys get that, but I'm looking for my phone charger, bro. I cannot find it. Give me 2 seconds, chat. Let me try and find the charger. We're going to get activated real soon. We got what, 30 seconds? Alright, chat. Give me 2 seconds. Let me try and find this charger real quick. But I got sell stop on the rebreak of the lows. This would be break even. Let me see. The rebreak of the previous candle lows would be break even, chat. Yep. And this, we could even look for close full. This would be 27. This would be 27. So chat just got activated in sales just now. So this is the trade I just got into. Hold on, why? Chat, give me 2 seconds, chat. Give me 2 seconds. Once we tap 44.14, risk free the trade. Once we push down and tap 44.13, that's the level I look to close full at. Well, let me try and find the charger real quick. My phone is on 1%. Yo, I'm just a fall back, bro. We not draw down. Let me measure this. 70 pip draw down. Wow. All right. So chat. We got what 15 minutes. This hourly candle. Hourly candle might flip bullish in 16 minutes. But we got a good stop placement though. Stop loss is on the rebreak of the highs chat. If price rebreak the highs, then this trade. If price rebreak the highs, then this trade would be completely invalid. So that's why I got my stop loss right here, chat. You see me? My stops is at 4429.60. 4429.60 chat. That's the rebreak of the highs. If price flip bullish, rebreak its highs, then the sells would be invalid. So let's see. Imagine, bro. Well, we'll see if we can close below, bearish below or whatever. Guys, chat, two things can happen, you know. You see this? Since the higher time frame bullish, price rebreak the highs, we top 29, then we start for get some rejection, but the higher time frame clearly bullish, as I can see. But this is the thing though, chat. You see, if price respect this high, cause that's the reason why I enter sells. We push up first, we print a top wick, then we reject and we close back into the range. So because of this top wick, chat, we have at 44.29. I would expect if price is going to like push down and fill the range, I would expect this level get top. 4409.59, this level right there, chat. But this is the thing, since we already printed a high, once the price respect this high, this should be enough. If it's not, then the direction is not like in our favor. We're going like once price rebreak the 4-hour candle highs, we're going to push further. Yes, in my chat, but we just have to wait. We got what this 15 candle close bearish below. We still close below even though we reject. We close below like 23, 44.23. So let's see if this 15-minute candle, even if this current 15-minute candle going to push down, chat, we're going to need to print a high first. So this 15-minute candle have to push up first, and that's just more drawdown, but it is what it is. 30-minute candle flip. We'll see if this 30-minute candle go flip or if we can manage to hold. See you la. For highs. Yo, chat, give me like 2 seconds, chat. Me a fall. Me candle go close above in a second. Let me see something by the way before I cut. This hour 1:30, not bad. Yo, chat, me a fall. Give me 2 seconds, chat. Me a fall. Oh, 5:15. Yo, you see him? 10 me a forward, bro. Which point there? No, that 10 me a forward. No, I'm streaming, bro. Me a forward, dog. Yup. Regular day de panikala. Bro, on MT5 my stops get hit, but not on MT5 on a trader view, but I'm still in on MT5. Once price re-break its highs, I'm out, chat. Once price re-break its highs, I'm out this trade. I'm still in though. Think my stops is on the re-break of the highs. Most likely we're gonna break the highs though if we get a closure above. Got like what, 10 seconds? Yeah. This trade is minus. If we re-break the highs, chat, that would have been minus 130. It's not bad. Still up for the week. Give me a second, chat. Me a fall. I just them people I keep on. I call my phone, bro. I tell them say me I do something and keep on. I follow me up, dog. Hold on. Like a violence, man. I feel I used to them. Them people and I listen, brother. Fuck do no. Tell them say I something man I did, dog. Love me alone. But chat, I don't know how I survive, bro. And trade view, this red thing show that I got stopped out, but on MT5 I'm still in though. I was able to survive. Once price re-break its highs, then most likely my stops gonna get trigger. Fine what?
But I'm gonna take out the thing.
No, I never find it, dog.
I'm gonna take out the thing from out of the I'm gonna take it from out of. Do you think I want to? It is.
Me a forward. Oh, it's update. Me just I realize that, dog. No, I update where them bring out for MetaTrader 5. Just I realize. As I said, chat, like once price, if price rebreaks the highs, then yeah, trade will be invalid. Whole entire trade will still be invalid. I think I barely survived though. I barely survived. We got what, 8 minutes until we close, and this 15-minute candle most likely going close bullish above. If that happens, you would expect the next 15-minute candle push straight up and fill the wick. Well, let's see how we close though. We got what, 2 minutes? Let's see. Yo chat, who survived? Who survived or you guys got stopped out? Are you guys still in this trade right now? Or nah? We got 7 minutes though, like chat, like the only way we're good is if this 15-minute candle close like bearish in 7 minutes. Or if we close weak bullish, like bullish respecting, like right here at 23. That's the only way. We got 7 minutes left though. See if we can get like a bearish closure in 7 minutes or a weak bullish closure. Yo, chat, give me like 2 seconds. Me a forward. Me a pick up something now forward. Bro, me even want to steal some tree long. Straight was like instant drawdown. Or not really instant. I think we peak like 8 pips chat. 8 or 9 pips before we get some, before this kind of stuff to reject. Wow, 3 minutes until the hourly close. I last 15 minutes of the hourly can go reject too, you know. Makes sense still. Makes sense. Regular deal the panic. Ini hak kerja ini ada tadi ada. We're closing our 3 minutes. But chat, if this trade play out chat, bro, I would say that's just like luck when it comes down to like the stops chat, cause bro, I could have gotten stopped out easily when price push up towards 44.29. Price came like 1 pip away from stops or 2 pips, and I survived. So if I manage to like survive this trade and price push all the way back down, that's like there is to a degree some like luck involved in this trade, as I could have easily got stopped out just now when price push up. Can we get a closure below? We're not good as yet. We need to see like closures below. We got a minute and 30 seconds. So can this candle close bearish below the range in a minute before we say alright, we're good? Regular day, the funny call up. What? It look like about 18 pips away. 12, 13. Like 13 pips away from entry chat. Can this candle we get a closure below on the minute. We got 30 seconds until the 5 close. I think, yeah. I want to see a closure below on the higher time frame chart. The 30-minute candle will close in 25 seconds. So can we get a closure below on the 30? That would be decent. Like a closure below 43.20 chat, or even below 43.19. This level right here. That would be decent. Yes, we would expect some more drawdown because price going to need a top wick. We're going to need a top wick chat. So close respecting. We never close below. We close right at the level. Close respecting. Push up first. So yeah, this candle going to need to push up first chat. If this candle can reject, print a top wick and reject, then we should be straight. But this are the top wick I was talking about chat. You would expect some rejection after we close. But can this be a lower high? If this is another lower high, then we should be straight. Right, just push back all the way up, close back above the range chat, then GG's. This was a good trade. And you can also learn a lot from this trade though. There's a lot to learn. Print a low. Oh, this candle came like what? Came like 10 pips away. 12 to be exact. And chat, there's still a, if I'm going to be honest, like there's still a chance this hourly candle just push straight up and break the highs. There's still a chance. That definitely possible, chat. So it's like we just have to wait and see if price can like reject. We have like 2 rejection levels on the way up. We have one right here, 44.23. Price could tap this level and reject, flip bearish. We also have one right here at 44.25. You see me, chat? So we got 2 levels on the way up. Let's see if price can respect any one of them and flip bearish. Once we get a bearish flip, then we'll start to see if we can get closures below 44.19. All of that would need to happen before we're good again. And if this is just like a what do you call this? Structure. Low, price push down close to the flip, and then we just reject and push up, re-break the highs. Here's even chat, cause you see this happen a lot. Price push down and just push back up, re-break the highs and close above the range. We have to just watch out for that. We got what, 20 It depends on how we close though, and how we react when price push down. You see price push all the way down to 19, 44, 19, and then this can go reject. We'll close bearish, respecting. Well, we still close below. Yeah, this can go close bearish below same way chat, but we need to see like price actually close below 19. Yeah, we need a closure below 19 chat. This level right here. This is like a good support level, bro. Can go flip bearish and I lost. Not bearish, bullish. Weak bullish. Work angle look insane, bro. Let me see if 5 minute candle close bullish above. Close bullish above 25. We already have a high. We already have a top wick at 41. Not 41, 44, 33. Oh, we'll see. This 5 will have to print a high and then re-break its lows. That would be decent. This one lasts so long, dog. Nice, re-breaking the lows now, chat. So can we like push down and get a closure below 19? We already print another top wick on the 5 minute candle. So can this candle like close below 19? That would lead to the 15 minute candle flipping bearish now. Let's see. Nice, that's the top. Can we get a closure below now? Instant rejection. Instant rejection, chat. Previous minute candle still close below though. So we'll see if this minute candle can close below 19, 44, 19. This yellow line I have right here. This are like 10 pips away once again. 16. So chat, we'll see. We got what, 2 minutes? Can we get a closure below? We still haven't closed below 19 as yet. Still haven't closed below, chat. We got 2 minutes left. Let me see if the minute can go close. Yeah, I guess the minute can go close. But you already know, the higher the time frame, the stronger the confirmation, chat. Someone say at least a 5-minute closure below 19, 44.19. Yes. Oh, you never look. Bro, don't tell me this candle about to close bearish respecting in 44 seconds, bro. We need a closure below, chat. We got like the last 30 seconds. Let's close below goal. Don't do that. Candle reject. We got what? 8 seconds. So you're going to tell me this can go reject flip bullish in like the last 20 seconds, chat. And we'll close bullish. That's crazy. Let me measure this. 40 pip rejection. Alright, chat. We got 4 minutes. So let's see if this 15-minute candle. Let's see how we close on this 15. If this 15 can close below in 4 minutes. Cause the 5 never closed below. The 5 close above. So we just have to wait on the 15 now, chat. We got 4 minutes. 4 minutes until this 15 time frame close. Print a low on the minute just now. This is like a decent level, bro. 44.90, and it's a struggle. Right, it's literally struggling to break and close below this level. We attempt to break that like 1, 2, 3, 4 times. This is like a 5th time. May I forward? I joke with my badness, dog. Can't a joke with my badness, chat. Chat, you already know. I'm just waiting for a closure below. We still got 2 minutes. Still haven't closed below as yet. We're pushing down though, that's good. But we still haven't closed below though. We're back to break even. Back to break even. We got a minute left. Alright, chat. We haven't tapped as yet. once alright, this is now a risk-free trade chat. Stop loss to break even minimum. No risk on the table. Modify. Alright, chat. This is a risk-free trade. And I think break even got hit just now. That's crazy. But yeah. That's what happened when price glitch. Cause if you pay attention, this can yo, chat, as I said, chat, yeah, we get the rejection. Bro, I can't even focus, bro. So yeah, chat. Basically what happened just now. You see this candle? We never push down. Price basically glitch. I think price was at like 44.15. And then would definitely close full, chat. Would have closed full, but that's the thing. Price never push down. We just glitch. Let me show you. Let me replay stream. Let me show you, chat. Let me show you what happened, bro. If you don't understand, I'm gonna say. I'm gonna skip this out. Alright, look. Price never top the break even level either, chat. As I can see, we can't turn up the quality. I'll go fix the quality. We never top 44.14. Price never top that level. And when me play the video, you're going to see price just going to like glitch. It not even going to like push down like regular. Look, do you see that glitch there? No, price push all the way down to 44.13. But it never like drive down, it just glitched down. So there's no like, we never had no chance to close full. No, you see me, chat? Yeah, bro. But still, break even got hit, then price continue down. GG's, chat. So I call it a day. One winning trade, one break even trade. We're chilling, bro. We're gonna come back tomorrow and continue to follow the plan. The idea behind this trade, chat, like the direction clean, the stop loss, that did kind of clean as well. You see me, chat? Yeah, I just like we just get stop out a break even at GG's. So fall back tomorrow and continue to follow the plan. This trade was like a roller coaster though. I'm so much drawdown we have on that trader. The drawdown on this trade was like 130 or something like that. Let me see. 130, yeah, 132 to be exact. But chat, me fall back me sooner tomorrow. You see me? 1 W and 1 break even. We're good. But yeah, that is it. Respect to everybody who followed out for the stream. You see me? Me sooner tomorrow, same time, same place. That is it for right now, chat. I'm out. What we are gonna do with bad mind?